If I could only pick 2 seasons to live in for the rest of my life, it would be spring and fall. Pretty colors for the flowers, pretty colors for the trees, and the weather. Amazing. Oh, hey. This I've used all summer long. Dodie from Triple D, she has a wine tumbler, and then this one, and literally I just fill it up with my Diet Coke or whatever I'm drinking that day, and refreshed all summer long. Okay. I can't believe that summer is just about over. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not even mad because I love fall, but summer is almost gone and it's time for another favorites video. It's been 3 months since June since I did my last favorites video, so if you want to see my spring favorites, that's going to be linked up here. But it's time for summer favorites, and I know it's kind of backwards, like you're like, summer's gone, I'm not interested in fall or summer stuff, so like why are you doing a video on it? Because I want to talk about the things I've used for the last 3 months that I absolutely adore and absolutely love, and not everything I talk about is summer themed. It's just my favorite from that summer, from things that either released or things I've used and tried and everything. So don't think that this is just summer themed products that I'm going to talk about. Like, for example, this is a tumbler from Triple D. I keep it around my nail room. I carry it everywhere because I just fill it with Diet Coke and some ice and it stays cold, and I just sit here in my nail room and play with my stuff, and I have a refreshment. And she has a wine one too, so that one's fun when I'm drinking wine instead of Diet Coke. Alright, it feels appropriate to talk about the main item I've used under my nails, under my dip powder all summer long, and that is Builder Gel. Triple D came out with Builder Gel at the end of May, and I tried it out and I was wowed. I absolutely love Builder Gel. I've been using these 2 brands, Triple D and Young Nails, and speaking of Young Nails, I also use their Protein Bond under my Builder Gel. If you want a video on that, I have one, but this makes sure that nothing lifts, everything stays intact, like it's stuck on there. It's an amazing product, and I highly recommend it for anybody that's using any type of gel product on their nails. Next up is a product that I even did a dedicated video for, a dedicated mani video for, like the Seaglass Collection from Luminous Dips, which unfortunately is sold out. She retired it at the end of the summer. I'm so sad about it. This collection blew my mind. I love the glitters, I love the solids, all of it was absolutely amazing, and you should definitely snag her fall collection before that sells out too. Next up is the Hippie Collection from Kimber's Creations. I really liked that it wasn't like the neon or the glow, like it wasn't everything else that everybody else was coming out with this summer, and I really like the glitter dips so much and the cornflower blue. But these colors are absolutely amazing, and apparently she's retiring them. So hurry up and get them while you can, especially the cornflower and those cute little glitters. The Sparkle & Co. June sub bag was my absolute favorite, and it was also my birthday month. So during your birthday month, if you get the I Want It All bag, you get the birthday dip. So Birthday Fierce too, because it's the 2nd year that they've been offering birthday dips. And these 3 colors came in the collection of that sub bag. I was absolutely in love that it was like right before 4th of July, the red, white, and blue thing, but it wasn't themed. Red, white, and blue is more like nautical. So I really like that they added like this aqua turquoise blue in there, and Lighthouse Cove is probably one of the best shiny like normal glitters ever. Anyways, so I really like that they added aqua blue, so it wasn't your traditional red, white, and blue for 4th of July, and it still had those very nautical vibes with the aqua. This is Lighthouse Cove. She's absolutely stunning, and I'm like sad that it didn't get voted into like the main line. And then this is I Want It All 15, I believe. Very, very flaky, easy to use, super gorgeous and light. And this is Birthday Fierce too. She is my favorite. Last year didn't wow me, but everybody went crazy for it. But I had to make sure I got Birthday Fierce too during my birthday month this year. If you haven't heard of All Powdered Up yet, you are definitely missing out on an amazing brand, like one of the best out there in my opinion. Every month she comes out with a monthly exclusive color that is limited until supplies last, when it sells out, at least by the end of that same month. And this was her July color. I absolutely love it. Reminds me of Popsicles. And this was one of her 4th of July exclusive colors, and it's called Merica, and it also features that like aqua blue in it, kind of like the one that I said about Sparkle & Co, but so different. If you haven't caught on already, I have a thing for blues. Blue is my favorite color, every shade of blue, even if you add a tint of purple, I love it. So speaking of purple, this color right here, the one on the right, actually changes to purple. So Revel Nail in their Gift of Revel collection, they have, yep, see, it's a UV changer. July Gift of Revel is a UV changer that changes from blue to purple. And then I also like the August glitter, the one on the left. It's really cute. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet, but let me show you this UV change because it's absolutely stunning. I'm going to stick it in my lamp and I'm going to show you guys how it changes. And you can, like, it's so drastic in the sun too. So let me grab a little swatch stick and stir this up real quick. Isn't that so freaking cool? I don't know. I thought it was amazing, and I'll make the exception of the purple because there's some blue in it. So the perfect glitter in this whole wide world to go with that blue and purple changer was Princess Rainbow Sparkle from Triple D, because it had blue, it had purple, it had pink, it had all the things, and it went great with the July Gift of Revel colors. A few other glitters that Triple D released that I think are underrated is Oh My God, like O.M.G. This glitter is like it has purple tones to it, purple and gray tones. I think it's absolutely stunning, and she doesn't get enough love. And neither does Peachy Keen and Copper Rose. So these are two of her like rose goldish glitters that she released this summer, and they're absolutely stunning. Like, they're so freaking gorgeous. But some of the colors that do get a lot of love are these flakes. I'm in love with these 4 flakes that she released this summer. They're absolutely stunning. Borealis flakes has to be my favorite. It's the like bluish blurple one. And look at them over black dip powder. So Borealis flakes, you can tell she's like the blue purple. Anyways, so they're the same flakes, just one's over clear, one's over black. And the last item in my summer favorites lineup is this matte glitter that is perfect for Veterans Day, in my opinion. I love this glitter. All you have to do is mix it with clear, like I did here, and that's what I have on my swatch, is mixed with clear, like a 50-50 ratio. And I just put it on the swatch. So I can't wait to wear this for Veterans Day. Yeah, I don't know what solids I'm going to put it with, but anyways, it comes in a huge jar, so just be prepared to sell some off or give it to your friends, because there's no way I could use all this glitter on myself. Anyways, I hope that you guys really liked that summer favorites video, and if there's anything that you're interested in shopping for, I'm going to link everything down below. Just remember, some of these things were either exclusive, limited edition, so they're not actually for sale anymore, but you can still check out the website and see if there's something else that catches your eye. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my summer favorites video, and I think I'm going to try to record my fall favorites a little sooner this time. I'm not going to put it in December. I'm probably going to release it in November. Normally I wait a couple days till the season is almost over. I think this time I'm going to wait like 3 weeks. I'm going to do it like 3 to 4 weeks before the season is over, because yeah, I don't really want to release my fall favorites in the middle of Christmas. Without further ado, I'm not going to babble your head off any longer. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned because I have more videos coming. Alright, so before I get distracted, you guys, there's a collab coming up, a Halloween collab. Yes, so there's going to be 13 ladies, 13 days, the Halloween 13 wear coming up, and I will post more about it as we get closer and closer. So I'm super excited for you guys to see 13 days of Halloween looks. And the reason we're doing it in the beginning of October all the way to the 13th is, first of all, 13 is a creepy number, but also because we want to give you guys enough time to win the giveaways, enough time to plan your Halloween manis, all those things. So I'm excited to tell you guys about that, duh. So All right, I'm done. I promise I'm done. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.